Okay friends, to get started on our window switch, we're going to take a nice plastic trim tool that looks like this, and we're going to just try to get underneath one of these edges. So just try to lift it up, follow it along. There we are. Looking underneath, there's a tab right here. Squeeze on that, separate it. This one as well. Squeeze, separate. On the bench, looking at the back side, you're going to see 3 mounting screws. 2 over here, 1 right there. Remove all 3. Grab that, match it up to our new one. This looks great. Put this facing down right into its slot. Start in all 3 of your screws and then snug them up. All right, this looks good. Let's get back over to the vehicle. Let's get this connected back in. Okay, nice tug. Line this up with the door so it's nice and straight, and pop it in. Now that it's in, go ahead and put the key in the on position and give everything a little test. Okay, this all seems to work. Locked, unlocked, perfect.